All right, everyone. So today, YouTube, we're going to be doing a review on Meguiars Hot Shine. High gloss, wet look shine, self-spreading formula, prevent streaks. Shine that last. All right, so it says directions. Apply on a cool, clean, dry tire in a well-ventilated area. Well, we're outside in beautiful Florida, and you can't get any better than this. It's about 85 degrees out here. Spray product onto a applicator pad or more control in low gloss sheen. Wipe off any excess to reduce sling. Only use as directed. Do not apply on painted surfaces or plastic panels. If necessary, remove spin off from plastic panels to avoid staining. Do not use on motorcycles, bicycles, or other two-wheel vehicles, tires, or seats. Avoid spraying onto brake rotors, brake drums, brake pedals. Application to these surfaces can cause them to become slippery. Do not apply a used product on contact the tire tread. Move any product immediately from cement or asphalt with detergent to prevent staining or slippery conditions. Store and transport product in a secure upright position. Okay. Here we go. Putting it on a spray and go super close. Boom. That's that, y'all. So don't want to use any more than that. Looks like it leaves a pretty good shine for this product. And you can see it is streaking though. As you can see, it is streaking. I imagine as the heat kind of lets it lay down flat, imagine that'll help. But there you go, guys. So it's been a review on Meguiars Hot Shine tire dressing. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.